Coach Brad, what's the matter?
My day is ruined.
Why? What happened?
It's raining in my favorite flower field. Now I can't go play.
Yeah, we've had some really wacky weather lately.
I don't want wacky weather. I just want my flower field.
Don't you know why there are flowers in the field?
Yeah, so I can play in them.
I think you're forgetting a few things about the weather. Let's check out this wacky weather together to see what we can learn.
Sure.
Okay, great. Let's go grab our raincoats and then I'm gonna warm up. Will you guys warm up with me? Great.
I'm Coach Brad.
I'm Coach Haley. And I'm Coach Catherine.
And
this is Adventures in Gymnastics. Ready, adventurer? Let's warm up. Let's start with running in place. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now let's do high knees. Next, we're going to do jumping jacks, and we're going to count to 10 together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And now, we're going to do heel kickers. Now, adventurer, we're going to practice our big jumps to each color. Ready? Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. Now we're going to work on our fast feet. Let's run as fast as we can in place. Nice job. And last, we're gonna work on our ski jumps and jump to each shape on the mission mat. Ready? Lightning bolts, triangles, sun, square, star. Whew, nice job, adventurer. Do you know what's next? That's right, let's go stretch with Coach Haley.
Hi, adventurer. It looks like the rain has stopped already. This really is some wacky weather. Let's go ahead and stretch so we can get started on our adventure. We're gonna start with our feet on the lightning bolts and reach up super high in the sky. But watch out, there's lots of wind. Whoa, try and keep balance. Maybe we should reach down low so we can avoid the wind. All right, let's get in our pipe stick. Do you hear that? I think I hear some rain. There's a little sprinkling. Oh, the rain's getting heavier. Now it's light rain again. Wait, do you hear that? I think I hear some thunder too. Whoa! Getting louder and louder. Wait, now I think I see lightning. We better hide from it. Try and hug yourself into a tuck. Okay, I think we're all good. Let's go in our straddle and see if we can see anything. I do see a rainbow. Let's go over all the colors. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Those are the colors of the rainbow. Great job. Well, there's a lot of water on the ground now. We should make a tabletop so we can have a bridge to cross over the water. really tired from stretching. Looks like we need more energy so we can go on our adventure. Do you want to see how? Great, come on. First, we're gonna put our feet on the lightning bolts and we're gonna charge up by putting our hands up super high. I want you to reach as high as you can. So now, to get powered up, we have to put one foot on the triangle. Be sure to have it on the same color. So, if you're losing power, that means we need to bring our arms up super high. So, looks like we're ready to be charged up and powered up for our adventure. I wonder where the coaches are.
All right, adventurer. Coach Brad wishes this wind wouldn't ruin his fun. This wind is crazy. That's better. Anyway, do you know why wind is so important? Wind helps carry seeds to new fields to make flowers all over. Wind also helps turn the blades on windmills for clean, renewable energy. Do you see any windmills? You do? Great! Let's try and make our bodies just like a windmill on our mission mat. All right, adventurer, let's charge up on our lightning bolts. Now let's power up. Let's try to move just like a windmill and rock back and forth on the lightning bolts and the triangles. Let's start moving a little faster, and this time, can you reach down and touch your hand on one heart? Ready? Nice job! It's really starting to speed up. Let's get our legs involved, and let's put one foot on the triangle and one foot on the square, and our hands on the sun, and let's rock back and forth. Can you go a little faster? Can you go a little higher? Whew. Do you see the windmill turning? It's really starting to pick up. You know what? That windmill reminds me of a cartwheel. Let's try one together. That was wacky. Thanks for helping me spread all of those seeds. There's gonna be new flowers all over these fields. Did you know when the wind gets too powerful, it creates a vortex, which kind of looks like an ice cream cone? Look, there's one now. That was a close one. Thanks for helping, friends. I wonder where Coach Brad and Coach Haley are.
Sure does stink that it's raining. Ruins all my fun. Adventurer, you see the puddles? Oh, it'd be so fun to do tuck jumps in them. Let's do them together. We are going to lift our knees up high to our chest, and we're gonna splash the water all over. Let's do our first one. Here we go. Knees up. 1. And the next one. Knees up. 2. Whew. This is so much fun. Let's do our third one. Knees up. And number 4. Okay. This last one looks really good. We're gonna do our biggest jump here. You ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Whoa, that was fun. I never realized how much fun the rain could be. We do have to be careful though. If you can't see the bottom of a puddle, don't splash in it. Let's go find Coach Haley and we're gonna tell her how much fun the rain is.
Wow, the rain sure is coming down hard. Did you know that rainwater helps feed the plants, trees, and flowers? Without it, nothing would be able to grow. Did you hear that? That was thunder, and it can be a little loud and scary. Do you know how thunder gets so loud? It's from lightning. So, the air gets so hot and expands, and then it comes crashing back down together. Should we try and be just like lightning? I think we should. Let's try it. Let's go ahead and get charged up and powered up. We're gonna put our feet on the lightning bolts gonna reach our hands up super high. That'll get us very charged up. So now we have to get powered up. We're gonna put our foot forward and be super powered up. So I want you to reach your hands down to the sun, and we're gonna try and kick our back leg as high as we can. As my hands go down, my foot comes up. As my foot comes down, my hand comes up. As my hands go down, my foot comes up. As my foot comes down, my hands come up. Do you think you can do 3 more with me? Great, let's do it all together. Gotta get charged up and powered up first. As my hands go down, my feet come up. As my feet come down, my hands come up. As my hands go down, my feet come up. As my feet go down, my hands go up. We have 1 more. Be sure to be extra charged and powered. As my hands go down, my foot comes up. As my foot goes down, my hands come up. All right, we're on to the next thing. We're gonna try and get our front foot on the triangle off the ground too. So, I think we need to be extra powered up for this. Whew. We're gonna reach our hands up super high, and we're gonna kick both legs up as high as we can. As my hands go down, my feet come up. As my feet go down, my hands go up. Let's try it 3 more times together. As my hands go down, my feet come up. As my feet go down, my hands come up. Let's keep going. As my hands go down, my feet come up. As my feet go down, my hands come up. Whew. All right, gotta be extra charged, extra powered. We have 1 more to go. As my hands go down, my feet come up. As my feet go down, my hands come up. Now that we're as charged up in the air, let's see if we can make thunder. Did you know that thunder comes right after a lightning strike? It's like the thunder's clapping for you. We can tell how far away a storm is by counting the seconds between a lightning strike and thunder. I know! Why don't we do some handstand kissers to see how far away the lightning strike is? Since we already know how to do teeter-totters, I bet we can do this. So, instead of doing our teeter-totter, we're gonna bring our feet together so they can kiss. First, we're gonna get charged up. Feet on the lightning bolts, hands up high, and now we can get powered up. So, our feet are gonna kiss, okay? Like this. All right, we're gonna do it 4 more times. Can you do it with me? Great, let's go ahead and get started. We're charged up and powered up and ready to go. That's 1. 2. 3. And 1 more. And 4. So, how many was that again? Yeah, we did 4. So that means we know that the lightning is 4 miles away from us. Great job, friends. The thunder doesn't seem so scary anymore now, does it? You know, I wonder where Coach Brad and Coach Catherine are. Let's go see if they're at the flower field already. Hey, coaches. Hey, Coach Ailey.
Guys, look! My field is even better.
That's what I've been trying to tell you. The rain from the storm is what makes your flowers grow big, strong, and beautiful. Without the rain, we wouldn't have any trees, plants, or even parks to play in. Plus, without lakes or rivers, we wouldn't have our amazing animals or even beautiful places to go to. You know, the weather is a very important part of our planet.
And sometimes you have to brave the storm in order to get to the beautiful things. Kind of like gymnastics. Sometimes it can be very hard and frustrating and maybe even a little bit scary. But if you keep going, you can see your efforts pay off.
You know, I never knew that. Wacky weather is a lot of fun. I had a great time doing cartwheels in the wind, jumping in the puddles, and even practicing our handstands to see how far away the storm is. I think we should celebrate our wacky weather. Let's boogie! Want to help save our planet and fight back against climate change? Click the link in the description to learn what you can do to go green.